You're always welcomed at Memaw's house, where today we are making one of the very first cakes I ever baked, a 7-Up pound cake. Hey y'all, welcome back to Memaw's house. I'm Angela, my grandbabies call me Memaw, and I want to thank all of my new subscribers for subscribing. I hope that you enjoy being a part of the family. We are so happy that you have decided to join us. Anyway, today I'm going to show you the first pound cake I ever learned to make, and that is a 7-Up pound cake. Super easy. 3 cups of flour, 3 cups of sugar, 3 sticks of butter, and the rest is history. So you don't have that leavening to worry about. You got 5 eggs that I have at room temperature set out right now, and I'll show you how simple it is to pull this cake together. In the meanwhile, let me go get my apron on, and we'll get to cooking. Okay, let's start with our ingredients as per usual. I always use a little pinch of salt, some vanilla. I have my cake pan, my fluted cake pan already greased and floured. 5 eggs at room temperature, 3 cups of sugar, 3 sticks of butter, and 3 cups of flour. I also use a little bit of lemon juice, or you can use lemon flavoring, and I wanted to make sure that you all saw the love that has gone into this recipe card. You see how raggedy she is? I don't use her anymore, but that's how many pound cakes I've made with these ingredients like this over the years. Okay, so we'll start by creaming our butter and sugar together. I'll cream this together until it doesn't sound grainy anymore with the granules of sugar in the bottom of the bowl. And it takes about 7 or 8 minutes, maybe 9 minutes, depending on how fast your mixer is and how warm your butter is, as to whether it will start sounding not granulated. Now I'll begin to add the eggs one at a time and mix it until each egg is fully incorporated. Now I'm going to scrape my bowl down, the sides of my bowl, so that I can have everything incorporated before we take the next step. Okay, so I forgot to tell you that, of course, with the 7-Up cake, there goes 1 cup of 7-Up. So in my cup of 7-Up, I have mixed the last 2 wet ingredients, and that is lemon flavoring and vanilla flavoring, vanilla extract. So I put 2 teaspoons of lemon extract to 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract in the cup of 7-Up. I set that aside. Everything's at room temperature. So now the next phase, after the eggs go in, the next phase is to alternate flour, 7-Up, flour, 7-Up, flour. Okay, let's go do that. Also, as part of my flour mixture, I've added 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now I will finish mixing the cake by hand, and that is until all the flour has been incorporated and the sides are scraped down. Okay, so I have added my flour alternating with my 7-Up. Now it's time to go into the pan. But I wanted to tell you and wanted to point out that I don't mix that flour and the last bit of flour all together yet, fully, because I want to hand finish that. So you saw that I scraped the sides of my bowl and I pulled it all together, and that's the important part for that last piece. So let's go ahead and put our cake in the pan and in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so my cake is in the oven and it will bake for about 1 hour and 25 minutes because it's a dense cake. I'm going to check it about hour 15, hour 20 minutes to make sure everything is looking good. If it looked like it's getting too brown, I'll tint it with some aluminum foil so that it won't brown too much on the top, but it will bake all the way through. So give me 1 hour or so and we'll be back to check the cake. It's been 1 hour and 20 minutes and our cake is ready. Okay, y'all, so my cake is done. A little piece stuck over on the side. I don't know what happened with that. Maybe I didn't have enough butter and flour in that pan. But that is an old pan and she's been with me for a long time. So I'm going to let my cake cool and then I'll get my taste testers in here to taste a little piece of 7-Up cake. Okay, folks, so my taste testers are here. I got a little piece of cake. I'm tasting it first this time. That's a 7-Up cake.
We're gonna try it. It's so fluffy and like moist on the outside. It's a nice little taste. And nice taste. This tastes
Delicious.
good too.
Oh, you like that? That's crispy and sweet.
A little hot. A little hot.
It's warm? Okay.
Really good.
Okay, y'all, so you heard it from the taste testers. The 7-Up pound cake turned out beautifully. Now, I want you to try it. Give it a try at your house. Enjoy it. If you've had it before and you've tried it before, do it again. I hope this video inspired you to get it done again. Y'all have a good day and be blessed. Bye.